our series, and this is going to be the first part of the Yamas. And in this portion, we're going to cover Ahimsa. And Ahimsa is basically being non-harmful. Some people refer to it as being non-violent. It basically deals with being sensitive to your surroundings and also to yourself. Ahimsa is more or less about realizing that there's no such thing as an isolated action. If you do an action to my hand, even though my leg is separate from my hand theoretically, it's the positioning that my hand is placed in will eventually affect my leg. And so the whole thing is, even though we're separate beings, separate bodies, in this material plane, Ahimsa is the aspect of yoga that recognizes that we are all connected. And so by practicing self-love, by being sensitive to myself, I can share that with others. Some different examples of Ahimsa is changing of diet. One example of that is it stops the killing of animals for the consumption of humans. But also changing of diet is also being sensitive to yourself by providing a better frequency and a better lifestyle for yourself. Overall, the sensitivity that you're giving off is going to reflect into others, and it starts with yourself. So when you're stepping onto the yoga mat, you know, it's about recognizing your limitations. And a person that's practicing Ahimsa is not trying to imitate and is not trying to impress others. It's about recognizing your limitation and seeing that, okay, the reality is my body, the sensitivity aspect of the inside of my body is telling me this is where my place is today. But the outside, seeing your instructor or seeing somebody else do a pose, and then you yourself going for that pose, and now you have injured yourself, that kind of thing is what Ahimsa is all about. It's all about recognizing it, being sensitive to it, being sensitive to others. When you're doing things, recognizing that you're loving yourself, you're loving others, and that is replicating and being at peace with that. So that's Ahimsa. And the next video, we're going to cover Satya, which is the second part of the Yamas. Blessings, love, and light.